So I've been using my ratchet and it's gone a bit stiff for some reason. So I'm going to have a look inside, see if there's what we can do. Oh, so I think this one's going to be the selector. So I'll pull that out. Hopefully it don't cause too much havoc. It just fits in and out pretty easy. Okay, so it's just 2 springs and 2 locks. I'll just take a good close up on that just in case I can't get that together. So just note which way around they go. 2 springs and then your 72 piece ratchet piece. And it's really dry. There's no grease on it whatsoever, so I don't know if they're supposed to run dry. There you go. I'm going to cover it in grease anyway. I'll just take them springs out. That's marked left. So the L goes to the bottom. So I presume that goes that way. 2 springy my things. Right, I'll just grease everything back up then and put it back together. I'm using this black moly grease. I'm not sure what you're supposed to use, it's all I've got, so this is what it's having. I suppose that's the most important bit there on the teeth. Let's put some on the bottom of there as well. Right, I'll just clean my hands and I'll come back. Well, here goes the difficult bit, reassembly. So I think I'll try and put this one in first. The left one. There's a little cutout for it there. And the right one. The R goes to the bottom. I'll try and get these springs in there. that one's in. Okay, I think that's it. So I'll put it back together. No, forgot something. It's like a little washer sort of thing. Alright, this will fit in last. That seems a bit better. Sounds sweeter. Now I'll clean it up and have a little test. I have to say it's really good. I don't know why they were dry in the first place, but sounds a lot better. Selects really smooth. There's a 72 tooth ratchet this is, but it's a cheap one, but put a bit of grease in, done it loads of good. So yeah, really happy with that. Easy job and good result.